So now we have decided that how many rings which are on top of the last disk, we're going to move it in the auxiliary. Eventually we're gonna bring it here and then bring it back on top of this one. So our objective is like starting from source, we're going to go, this is our destination now and this is our auxiliary now. So from source we have to go here for first two and then eventually using the destination as an auxiliary now. So that is why for the first recursive call for two rings we are changing destination and auxiliary. And once that step is done, we're going to just observe this one, what we are doing here. So once this was 1 and 2 rings were in the middle one, so we just move 3 to the last one and then the whole thing on top of 3. So this step, like moving third one to the destination, is the second step. So I'm actually first of all getting the from our array list, getting the source list, because this was in source, remember, and getting the source, and remove first means like from this linked list remove the head node and put it back to the destination node. So if you see, add first into destination, like get destination, add first, and this node putting back to the destination. So 3 putting back here. So remove 3 from the first node, which was the source node, remove head and add first to this linked list for the destination. So if you see, I'm using source and destination here. So whatever at this recursive call, we still have this source and this destination. Now as a second recursive call, this was the first one, and we did some computation on the existing state, and we are again passing for the remaining recursion. How we are doing that? Same thing for remaining 2. If you observe, once we transfer 3 to destination, our eventually job is to transfer 1 and 2 back to on top of 3. So that is just like whatever we just did here, just same steps we're going to follow to bring 1 and 2 back on top of 3. So for that, if you observe, we are now considering auxiliary as a source as an auxiliary, and destination remains same. Why is that? If you notice again here, after we follow first step and then we move 3 here, then 1 and 2 are pending, right? We have to move top of that. So this is our source now, right? This is our source. So that's why auxiliary A comes first. This is our source now, and we have to use third, like source, as an auxiliary now, and eventually the destination is D again. So that is why we are saying that this is auxiliary, this is a source, this is auxiliary, this is a destination. So eventually, if you notice that when we went through this example, after passing 3 to the last peg, we used source as a auxiliary, like 1 and 2 were in the auxiliary. So this is our source now. So we put 1 here, then 2 back on top, and 1 back on top of 2. So eventually we solved using putting this as a source, this as auxiliary, and destination remains same.